Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable bold text on your iPhone. So to do this, it's so easy. You just need to go and open settings. And after opening settings, you just need to go to scroll down a little bit and go to display and brightness. And as you can see here, there is an option called bold text. To make text bold, just click on it. And as you can see now, the text on my iPhone is bold. And if you want to deactivate it, just click on it again and the text is no more bold. So I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And until the next video, I will say goodbye.